How to send messages with laser effect on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your iPhone. Once you are here, you can view all your messages over here. Now, open the conversation you want to send a message to. Inside the chat, tap on the text field at the bottom and type out your message. To add the animation, press and hold the send arrow icon as shown. This opens the Send with Effect screen. You will see two categories, Bubble and Screen. Tap on the Screen tab at the top to view full screen animations. You can now swipe left to preview the different effects available, such as echo, spotlight, and balloons. Once you have selected the laser effect, tap on the send arrow icon again to send your message with the laser animation. Following these steps, you can easily send a message with laser effects on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.